Let me tell you the biggest mindset shift that separates the wealthy from everyone else. See, most people wake up every day thinking, how can I make more money? But the wealthy? They wake up thinking, how can I make money without working for it? That's the difference. Most people trade time for money. The rich trade ideas for income. While others are chasing paychecks, the wealthy are building systems, investments, businesses, digital products, things that pay them whether they're working, sleeping, or on a yacht in Dubai. The poor and middle class are stuck in a loop. Work, earn, spend, repeat. And it feels normal, because that's what we were taught to believe. But here's the truth the top 1% know. If your money stops the moment you stop working, you're not free, you're trapped. Wealth isn't about having millions in the bank. It's about having money that works harder than you do. So if you want to join the 1%, stop thinking like the 99%. Stop asking, how do I earn more? Start asking, how do I earn forever? Because real freedom isn't when you can buy what you want. It's when you can stop working and the money still flows. That's the mindset of the truly wealthy. And once you get it, you'll never see money the same way again. If you have watched this video up till now, it means you are amongst those on their way to joining the 1%. We rise by lifting others up. Carry your family and friends along by sharing this video. And for more financial and motivational tips, join our community. Thanks for watching.